Can you hit another button for me? Hit another one. Jocelyn, you want to say hi to Grandma? Gotta hit a button. Hi, sweetie. Come on, can you hit a button for me? Or can you say hi to Grandma? Say hi, Grandma. You say hi, Grandma. No. Ooh. You're just gonna hit that one over and over again, huh? Jocelyn.